Come with me to vend at Pure Imagination Festival out in Prescott, Arizona. Pure Imagination is a super fun yearly music festival filled with vendors, drinks, snacks, entertainers, and more. I thought I was happy with my first dress, but I ended up changing into something a little more fairy for the festival. After dropping my baby off with Honeybee's Adventure Camp out in Prescott too, it was time to fill up my car with some gas, analyze my packing skills because my car was filled to the brim, and then when I got there, it was all work and no play because we had so much to set up. This setup took us a little longer than expected. Normally it takes us about an hour and a half to set up. This time, I think it took us about 2.5 hours to get ready. However, this was our first music festival, so go big or go home, right? Things were definitely off to a slow start with setup, but after a quick Dairy Queen break, it was time to smash out the last of setting up this tent. Honestly, I've never ever been happier. I absolutely love this setup. I love how full our tent looks. It was super inviting, super filled with absolutely everything we make. Like, I just couldn't get enough. I absolutely loved how it looked. Now, we started off Pure Imagination on Friday. It was just an evening show from 3 to about 9 p.m. One of the things I love about this concert is how much effort they put into the little things. They had so many entertainers there, so many art displays and interactive displays, so many good artists. And when Saturday came around, it was even better. There was double the people. We actually got to show off our awesome disco ball tent lights. We sold tons of our tumblers and glass cups and even some of these special 3D printed things that we just had for this craft show. I will tell you one thing though, pack out was a little bit harder than setting up. We did wait to finish packing out until Sunday, but 10 out of 10, we can't wait to come back. Thanks, Prescott.